welcome back to my channel. I have a new tattoo, explains the intro. I got this not yesterday, the day before. So this video is going to be a get ready with me while I get ready for Ed Sheeran, which is tonight. I am so freaking excited. Going with my god sister and one of my best friends. I have gotten a few new goodies, so I am using them in the video. So yeah, if you want to see get ready with me for Ed Sheeran tonight, then keep on watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, hit that like button, also hit that bell as well. Click that one, then you'll get notifications for every single time I upload a video. Keep on watching and I'll see you in a sec. Mwah! For my foundation, I'm just going to use my MAC Studio Fix Fluid. This is in NC37. It's pretty much my holy grail foundation. It's the best one I've found that works for my skin. And I'm just popping this on with a beauty blender. If I look super yellow in this video, I cannot seem to figure out my camera settings. Okay, I played around with my settings and hopefully I don't look as yellow anymore. For concealer under my eyes, I'm just grabbing my Tarte Shape Tape. To set that all in place, I'm going to grab the Becca Soft Light Blurring Powder in Golden Hour. I just picked this one up today from Makeup and Glow. Makeup and Glow is actually a really good website to shop off for makeup needs. It's got all your kit stuff, so like bulk lashes. It's got a bit of everything there. They've even got like your Zucca cases and stuff like that. So if you need anything for your kit, or you're building a kit, or you just want to have a little look and see what stuff they've got there, just click on my link down below and it will take you straight there. But yeah, I just picked this bad boy up today, so I'm going to try it out, and I'm just going to pop that on with my Morphe E8 brush. I'm just going to set my under eyes first. It's got a really nice colour to it. I do believe this is a little bit more luminous as well, which is what I kind of like, especially for my under eye area. So I'm just using my Morphe E2 brush. So now for the fun part, I'm going to grab my new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. I just got this in the mail yesterday. So I think the first colour that I'm going to go in with is going to be Orange Soda, and use that as a transition shade all over the lid. And I'm taking that on my Smashbox number 10 brush. I'm just popping this all in the crease and bringing it up. I just want to really bring this . For the crease, I'm going to grab Sienna. I'm going to take that on my MAC 217 brush, pop that in the crease, but a little bit lower just to deepen it up. Then I'm going to take the Smashbox brush again and just blend everything in. And the next colour I'm going to grab is going to be this one right here, which is a Mulberry. And using the same MAC 217 brush, I'm just going to pop that on the lid. And I'm going to take that same Smashbox brush and just blend everything in again. And for the under eye shadow, I'm going to grab the Orange Soda colour again and pop that on with my Urban Decay Iconic Eyeshadow brush, the E205. And now I'm going to take a bit of that Sienna shade again, and I am going to mix it a little bit with the Mulberry colour. And I'm just going to use the brush that came in the palette. I'm just going to get that MAC 217 again and just blend it through. And now I'm just going to grab the shade Glistening from the palette on my Morphe E18 brush. Take a little bit of that glistening shade and put it under the brow bone. So I'm going to apply some false lashes, but first I'm going to put on a little bit of mascara. I'm going to use the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara and pop the mascara on. This mascara is that nice that I almost would leave it like that, but I'm not going to. Let's be real. I'm not going to do that. And for false lashes, I'm going to grab my Model Rock Goddess lashes. These ones are so nice. I think this is my second or third pair because I've completely destroyed the other ones. All my Model Rock lashes I pick up at Makeup and Glow as well. They have such a massive selection of these. Always go in the middle first. Get that secured down and then get the ends. For me, I don't usually have to cut lashes, or if I trim them, it's very, very minimal. Especially these Model Rock ones. And for bronzer, I'm just going to grab my Hoola Bronzer by Benefit on my Sigma Large Angled Contour Brush, the number F40. And for blush, I'm just going to take my MAC Modern Mandarin blush. And I'm just using my Real Techniques blush brush. Now for highlight, just got this today as well. This came in the mail. I'm so freaking excited to use it. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. Oh my god, this was so hard to get my hands on as well. Ah, I'm so freaking excited. Can we just take a moment for that? That wave in there just makes me feel some kind of way. I'm like shook and I haven't even put it on my face yet. And I'm going to apply this baby with my Zoeva Luxe Face Focus Brush, the 114. Okay, that's insane. So now I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to grab my Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown. And I'm just going to comb my brows. I'm going to grab my Anastasia Brow Definer in dark brown just to fill in my brows. I may have lost some of the footage because it wasn't recording, of course. I just put on my Urban Decay lip pencil in the shade Broken, and then my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip in the shade Pure Hollywood. I just popped the lip pencil on the outer part of the lip, and then I put the liquid lipstick in the middle just to give it a little bit of an ombre effect, and then I set my makeup in place with my Fix Plus setting spray. Alright, so I just did my hair and changed into my outfit, ready to go tonight. So before I finish the look, I'm going to add a little bit of something extra. So I'm going to grab my Glam Glow Setter Spray, and I'm just going to spray that over my chest. This stuff smells so good. Onto my shoulders. I'm going to throw a little bit all over. Whew. And then I'm going to take my Amrezy highlighter again, and I am going to hit all of the high points on my chest. And I'm just going to pop that on my collarbones. That just gave it a little bit something extra, but I think that looks so pretty, especially in photos. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I am ready to go and see Ed Sheeran. I'm so freaking excited. Leave your favorite Ed Sheeran song comment down below. I want to know what all your favorites are. Either my favorite would be Barcelona. That is the happiest song ever. Either that or Kiss Me is one of my other favorite songs. So when those two come on tonight, I'm gonna go nuts. And if you do want to grab any of those products that I use, I'll pop everything down below. If I don't, I'll pop it on Instagram because I'll usually post photos, and I'll post a little mini video on there as well. So follow me on there as well. I'll leave all that definitely down below. Also, if you do want to grab any of those lashes, like the Model Rock lashes, some of the Becca products, things like that at Makeup and Glow, I'll have the link down below. So definitely click on that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it as always. And if you're not already subscribed, then hit that big button down below. It is in one of the corners. I always forget which which one, but I have it hidden in the corner. You just click that button and you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave some comments down below as well. I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!